Hello, welcome back to salyantiques.co.uk. We're back in the shop today looking at some of the interesting things we have in stock. Today we're looking at English long case clocks. Now these were made by craftsmen, so you'd have a craftsman would make the actual movement in the head, and then you'd have the top of the range cabinet makers to make the head, the long case, what called an English long case, and the base. Grandfather clocks is their common term, but they are actually English long case clocks. Now, interestingly enough, with these, back in the days in the Georgian, Victorian times when they used to make these things, and even before that, floors in houses were never flat. They were never level. So what they did was they made the components in the workshop, the three parts. They would deliver them to the address. Then they would have a craftsman on site who would adjust the middle part of the case so that the head would sit level so the clock could work the way it was intended to. Now if you put one of these antiques into a modern house with a flat floor, it probably wouldn't stand straight, but that is correct. And you can have it adjusted to make it work, but it would be incorrect if it stood straight in its natural form. But we've got several of these in stock. Have a look on salyantiques.co.uk. I think we've got a couple that aren't catalogued, so it'd be good to come down to the shop at the High Street, Old Portsmouth. We'll see you then.